Okay, so we have a question that came up while we were taking a break, which makes a really great example. So the Seventh Amendment says something about $20 in it, which is something about the amount that a lawsuit can be worth before you can request a jury trial or something, basically. So the point is, there's $20 listed in the Constitution in the Seventh Amendment, and that was a long time ago, so I would like to know about what that ought to be today, right? So we found through Google that average inflation was something like 1.4% for the last, let's see, this was
200 years.
This was in 1791,
Yeah.
and it is now
2016,
you guys are embarrassing me.
which is 225 years.
Okay, so in the intervening 225 years, right, the average inflation rate was 1.4%. If we assume that was compounded yearly, how much should this $20 read today?
About $456.60.
So what'd you do? You put in A was,
A
20?
was 20,
and then you did,
and it's 1.4% compounded yearly, so 0.14 to the power of 225.
okay, and you found out that this ought to be,
$456.64.
okay, so our answer is about $450.
Oh, you don't really have n because it's compounded yearly, so n is 1. So
Perfect. So I don't have a multiple compounding period thing here, right? Because my yearly compounding and my units of years agree. You guys see that? Okay. So about $450, right? Cool. What does that mean?
$20 is about equal to 450.
Yeah, inflation adjusted since 1791, $20 and $1791 should be about $450 in 2016 dollars.
So for little civil lawsuits, assuming that's what they did for anything over $450, you can demand a jury trial.
Yeah, and actually what this means is that we pay people more than we used to. Like people's time is worth more today than it used to be. Because convening a jury trial today is going to take at a minimum, right? At least 12 people, at least, what, 10 or 12 hours minimum? Right? So if we, and then we pay them a little bit, right? Like at some point you're better off just freaking having the state pay the money. So if you go look at this number today, I bet you it's a lot higher than $450. And the reason is that people's time has become worth more as they've, got rights and stuff. Cool? I didn't really mean this as a referendum. I really meant this is how inflation adjusting dollars works. Cool?